The DEWALT DW735X Thickness Planer is a powerhouse tool that delivers on its promises. Upon purchase, you receive a comprehensive package that includes the planer itself, in-out feed tables with fasteners, extra blades, and a dust hose adapter. Notably, it doesn't come with a stand, so be prepared for that additional expense if needed. One of its standout features is the 3-knife cutter head, which not only extends knife life by 30% but also simplifies and speeds up the process of changing blades. The 2-speed gearbox provides versatility by allowing users to adjust the feed speed, optimizing cuts per inch at either 96 or 179 CPI. Efficient chip ejection is facilitated by a fan-assisted system that vacuums chips off the cutter head and expels them from the machine, keeping your workspace cleaner. The sturdy 19 3/4 inch cast aluminum base provides stability and rigidity, reducing vibrations for smoother operation. An automatic carriage lock minimizes movement that causes snipe, enhancing precision without requiring manual engagement. The inclusion of a material removal gauge and an extra-large thickness scale ensures accurate cuts with every pass. Additionally, the extra-large turret depth stop simplifies returning to frequently used thickness settings. The planer's build quality is commendable, with thoughtful design elements such as the easy-to-adjust infeed and outfeed tables. While it's undeniably heavy and emits considerable noise during operation, these are common traits of such powerful machinery. Investing in ear protection and a dust collection system is advisable for a more comfortable and efficient working experience. Assembly is straightforward, with minimal effort required beyond connecting the extension tables and attaching the dust port adapter. The tool arrives well packaged for protection, although mishandling during delivery may occur, as experienced by some users. In conclusion, the DEWALT DW735X Thickness Planer stands out as a top contender in its class, earning praise from numerous reviewers and users alike. Its combination of power, precision, and ease of use makes it a valuable addition to any workshop, suitable for both novice and experienced woodworkers.